If you're looking at colocation providers in 2026, you've probably already realized that choosing a data center isn't just about finding somewhere to place your servers. The provider you choose can affect performance, reliability, connectivity, and ultimately how well your business can grow over time. And that's why the decision matters. Hi, I'm Nick Prosser with Data Center Hunter, and in today's video, we're going to look at 5 of the leading colocation providers in 2026, what makes each one different, and how to think about them based on your business requirements. Let's get started. Starting at number 1, we have Equinix, and this is where many colocation conversations begin. Equinix has one of the largest global footprints in the industry, with facilities located across major business and technology markets around the world. But what really makes Equinix stand out isn't just its size. It's the number of networks, cloud providers, and technology partners that are already connected inside its facilities. For businesses that depend on fast connectivity, cloud access, or serving customers across multiple regions, that can be a significant advantage. The way I'd think about Equinix is this: it's less about space and more about access. So if connectivity is a major priority for your business, Equinix is usually one of the strongest options available. Hey, before we move on, I'm assuming the reason you're watching this video is because you're searching for data center and colocation services. I want to remind you about our free consulting service to help you figure out which solutions on the market are best for you. We represent all the major data center service providers in the USA, and we're paid by referrals only, so our consulting service is absolutely free. If you'd like my help, all you have to do is visit our website at www.datacenterhunter.com, where you can request help from my team and I on our Contact Us page. Filling out the form is simple and just takes a couple of minutes. So, if you're looking for data center services for your business, we can help. A link to our website is also in the description below this video. Now, moving on to number 2, Digital Realty. And this is where the conversation shifts slightly, because Digital Realty's strength really comes down to scale and flexibility. With facilities located around the world, they've built a platform that supports businesses at different stages of growth. Whether you're starting with a smaller deployment today or planning for something much larger in the future, Digital Realty gives you room to expand. What stands out is their focus on helping businesses connect systems across multiple locations without making things overly complicated. So if you're thinking about long-term growth and want a provider that can grow with you, Digital Realty is definitely worth considering. Now at number 3, we have CyrusOne. And if there's one thing CyrusOne is known for, it's reliability. Their facilities are designed around keeping critical systems running consistently, even when unexpected issues occur. For many businesses, that's exactly what they're looking for, because downtime doesn't just create technical problems. It affects customers, operations, and revenue. CyrusOne has built a strong reputation by focusing on dependable performance and operational consistency. So if reliability is high on your priority list, CyrusOne is a provider that deserves serious consideration. Moving on to number 4, NTT Data. And this is a provider that often gets more attention once businesses start looking internationally. NTT Data has a strong presence across North America, Europe, and Asia Pacific. That makes them particularly attractive for organizations supporting customers, teams, or operations across multiple regions. They've also built a reputation around stability, security, and operational discipline. And for businesses handling important applications or sensitive information, that can be extremely valuable. So if you're looking for a provider with strong international coverage and a balanced approach to infrastructure, NTT is a very solid option. And finally, at number 5, we have Iron Mountain Data Centers. Now, this is where things get a little different. Iron Mountain originally built its reputation around secure information storage, and that same focus carries over into its data center business. Security is really at the center of what they do. That makes them particularly attractive for organizations operating in industries like healthcare, finance, government, and other highly regulated environments. They're also investing heavily in sustainability initiatives, which is becoming increasingly important for many organizations. So if security and environmental responsibility are key priorities, Iron Mountain is definitely worth a closer look. So when you step back and look at these providers as a whole, a pattern starts to emerge. There isn't one provider that's automatically the best for everyone. The right choice depends on what matters most to your business. If connectivity is your priority, Equinix stands out. If you're focused on growth and flexibility, Digital Realty is a strong option. if reliability is critical, CyrusOne deserves a close look. If you need broad international coverage, NTT is a solid choice. And if security is your primary concern, Iron Mountain is difficult to ignore. At the end of the day, choosing a colocation provider isn't really about finding the biggest name. It's about finding the right fit for your business today and where you expect that business to be in the future. And hopefully this video gives you a clearer place to start. Here's something I'd like your input on. As your business grows, what's your biggest infrastructure concern over the next few years? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I go through every single comment, and your feedback really helps us understand what challenges you're facing so we can cover the most relevant topics in future videos. Before wrapping this video up, if you're currently looking for colocation service, I'd like to remind you that we represent all of the data center service providers in the United States, and we guarantee that you'll get the lowest pricing when working with us versus shopping providers directly. Remember, our consulting service is 100% free, and you can request help on our website via the link below this video. If you found the video insightful, hit the like button, and feel free to let us know your opinion about today's topic in the comments below. This is Nick Prosser with Data Center Hunter, and I'll see you again in the next video.